Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a fantastically blessed day today. Today, we're going to talk about taking inspired action. Inspired action is action that you'll be taking when you feel a nudge inside, an urge inside. Say you're trying to manifest income. Well, that urge inside to apply for that job, talk to that client, start a new business might arise in you. How about if you're trying to win the lottery? First of all, you have to believe that you can. And when you're out and about, that urge inside to go ahead and buy that lottery ticket. And maybe you want to be an author and write a book or something. Those urges, those ideas, those things that come to your mind will make all the difference in the world. They are inspired actions that we take towards our goals. They will spark a flame in us and tell us and nudge us towards our goals, that this is the way, that's the way, don't go this way, go this way. And just be aware that your intuition, that what goes on inside of you is leading you and guiding you. And when you feel the nudge to do something, do it. And that's towards your goals. And you will know it. It's a strong little feeling inside that will tell you which way to go. All your things that you're trying to manifest, this is the way it goes. And we take inspired action. Sorry about that. That's my computer. We take inspired actions towards our goals each day. Be aware, listen to your inner voice, and know that just to do and tweak little things during the day will get you there faster. With that, I will leave you and say God bless you. I deeply appreciate each one of you, and you're loved by God, by Jesus, by the angels. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.